take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see
I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and today I'm doing an easy apple crumble pie. And I hope everyone is having a great day today and had a great Memorial Day. And me and Kevin had a great 50th wedding anniversary. We really had a lot of good barbecue pork and barbecue chicken and potato salad and chips and you name it, we had it. We had a beautiful 50th wedding anniversary cake, and they had the Coca-Cola building. It was decorated really nice, and then I've got some balloons right over here that are just about seeing their last days. They're going down, but anyway, they were just beautiful. And they're still beautiful to me. But anyway, I'm going to get started on this pie. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to beat these egg whites till they get kind of frothy. It's been really cool here in Georgia for the last several days, and we don't usually get that lucky this time of year. We do get blackberry winter, but it's usually about the second week of May. But I think it's supposed to warm up pretty good today, so I want to get my apple pie baked before it gets hot. Okay, all right. Now then I'm going to coat my graham cracker crust with this egg white. And when I get it all coated, I'm going to be cooking it at 375 for just about 5 minutes. I've never did this step on a graham cracker crust before, so this is a first for me. Okay. I think that's good and coated now. So what I'm going to do is I'll be back in about 5 minutes. And like I said, I'm going to be baking this at 375. Okay, I'm going to get my pie out. It's been baking for 5 minutes. Turn that off now, and when this cools, I'll be back. Okay, I just got my pie crust out of the oven, and it's cooled off now. And me and Calvin just want to thank everybody for all the anniversary cards and all the nice comments that you wrote in them. It just meant so much to me and Calvin. And I hope y'all, I think I've already said that I hope y'all had a great Memorial Day. And we certainly did. And so let me get started on my pie now. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put in my flour And this recipe will be in the description below. And I'm going to put in my sugar. I'm going to cut this butter in it. I'm also going to put this cinnamon in it. So let me get this all cut in and stir it up. This is my crumble mixture. And as usual, I gotta say something, and that is, it smells good. This cinnamon does. I'm going to have to get in here with my hands, which I didn't want to do, but I'm going to get in here and do this. This is almost like making biscuits. Alright, I'm going to wipe my hands off, and then I'm going to put my pecans in, or pecans, whichever you want to say. And the comments on this pie, everyone said they really loved it. It's certainly easy enough. Just a little bit more. Okay, now then I'm going to put my pie filling in this graham cracker crust. And also I got a little heavy on the egg whites. I don't know if I said that or not, but you're supposed to do it lightly. Okay. I was trying to come up with a recipe that I didn't have to go to the store today, and I had all of this and thought this would be a really good pie today. It really smells good too. So now I'm going to sprinkle my crumbles on. So now I'm going to just crumble this mixture on top. You could make your own pie crust, graham cracker crust, but then it wouldn't be fast and easy. But you could still do it. Okay, I'm going to bake this for about 30 minutes at 375, and then I'll be back. Alright, I've right, my pie is done. It's been cooking for 25 minutes, and so we're going to let it cool before we cut it. And also, Kevin put a light in the back part of our kitchen, and so y'all let us know if it improves our video quality. So when this cools, I'll be back. Okay, I'm also going to sprinkle some powdered sugar over this apple pie crumble. And it really smells amazing. Okay. You can put as much as you want, but that's all I'm going to put right now. Okay, so I'll be back when this cools off. Alright, I'm back and my pie is still a little warm, but I think it's going to be good enough that I can cut it now. And so it's time to do the taste test. Okay. I'll be right back. Sometimes that happens, but it'll still be good. It's an easy apple crumble pie, so it's living up to its name. Yes. Okay. All right, I have my easy apple crumble pie cut out now, and so Kevin, would you like to come over here and taste it?
I sure do. I've been smelling it all day.
We'll come over here.
And my mouth's been watering waiting on this pie. It looks great.
Well, it was very easy.
Well, I appreciate you putting some ice cream on top too. I'll get a little bit of that too. It's a big bite. Mmm.
Is that a keeper?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
I like the pecans in it.
Yeah.
You don't have to put the pecans in, do you?
I don't think you do, but some lady said that she didn't like pecans, so she put graham crackers in it. But I like pecans.
Mm. This is very good, right?
Thank you. It's very easy.
Well, you're not getting this piece back, huh?
That's fine.
This is mine. Hey, if you want to try a good pie, try this one. This is good.
It's very easy to make too.
I'll let you finish the video. Let me go over here and get behind the camera.
Okay. I hope everyone is having a wonderful day today, and I'm fixing to have a piece of this pie, so my day's going to be pretty good. And once again, I'd like to thank all of our subscribers that sent us cards. That really meant a lot to us. And my Aunt Joan, she came to our 50th wedding anniversary, and so she bought me this lamp, and then she gave me some other lovely gifts too. And so I just want to thank everybody, like I said, once again, and I hope y'all all have a great and wonderful day. and do what you love and love what you do, and I'll see you on our next video. Bye.
You say take me on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see beauty lives in me. I know I don't yet know it, so I trust you.